Welcome to a moment with Yukwaro. It's my hope that you have been enjoying my previous videos and they are also helping you to do quite some reflection. Now today I want to discuss about the types of irritating visitors we would really wish not to have. You see, visitors are good, they can be a blessing, they can be a curse, they can also be a nuisance. Because there are some visitors who will make you become more like a refugee in your own home. You can just imagine, for example, your sister-in-law who comes to stay with you in a single bed sitter and she doesn't seem to be in a hurry. She is there for 3 months pretending that she is looking for a job. She makes you become a refugee and you just look forward for the time when she is going to leave and go back to the village. Now, so I'm going to discuss these types of the visitors whom you would not like to have. One of them is the controlling freak. Controlling freak, they can be either men or women. What do I mean by controlling freak? This person come and take over your home. He or she want to control even the TV program. They want to control the remote. They want to move your children around. They want to order your wife around. They want to order your housewife around. They want to order your house help around. They seem as if they are the one who are scoring the shots. They become very, very irritating. So now you see, now when you don't want to watch soap operas, that is what they want. So you are just helpless. And so you see now, she take control of everything, controlling the remote. She will also control your wife. She will control also how your room is going to be prepared, how your table room is. She also decide and under your wife or your household on what is to be cooked today. She says today, I want this type of food to be cooked. Imagine this is a visitor, but has become so domineering, so controlling, until you really wonder who is now the master of the home. So now, I hope you have understood about a control freak, and some of you, you might have really experienced this type of a visitor. Now, the second type of a visitor is called a home wrecker. A home wrecker, if she is not seducing your husband, she is trying to create a rift between you and your wife. Sometimes she would even like you to get separated from your husband. She tried to ask, why are you staying with this person who is so poor? Why are you staying with this fellow? This fellow seems to be a pauper. There are some other men who are rich, who have got money, whom I can connect you to. So this person causes a risk. And just also in the process, she is also going to find ways, the weaknesses of the wife or the weaknesses of your husband, so that she use divide and rule. She utilizes your weakness for her own end. So that is that other type, a home breaker. She is a visitor, but she'll come and wreck your home. She'll cause rift between your husband, between you, the wife, the house helps. She'll even try to manufacture things and tell probably the wife, when you go to work, your husband come back. And he also seem to be having an eye on me. The third type of a visitor is the domineering type. This is a type of a visitor who will be all over the house. There is no privacy. To them, privacy doesn't matter. They will storm the bedroom and they will pretend that they want to ask you something. They will enter the toilet only to find somebody is in. They will find that they also come to the bathroom when you're just changing your clothes. This is the domineering type. They are very, very strange type of visitors, and you really wish they did not come to visit. Then the fourth type of a visitor is a critic visitor. Now with this, he tried to criticize everything in the house. He tried to ask, why have you put the family photo that way? It should be put this way. They say, oh now, why is your whole unit is out of fashion? You should get the latest. And then they also say, I'm really wondering why you are staying in a two-bedroom house when your family is big. This is too small for you. Why don't you rent a bigger house? This is a critic. You criticize everything negative, negative, negative. And then there is the detective. Now with the detective, this visitor is in your house for only one mission. Probably somebody has sent him or her to try to gather some information. And once they gather that information about you, they will pronounce it to whoever who had sent them. So now, these people, the detective, they will be in your house for that mission, and they want to know all your secrets. And within, for example, 2 days, they will know even the salary which you earn. They know even your other sources of income. You'll find that they have even told your mother, next year you are having a wedding, and then to your mother, you have not discussed it with her. Now, these are the type of visitors whom would wish they are not there. I hope you have enjoyed. This is part 1 of the bad, dangerous type of visitors, irritating visitors whom you'd wish they just go back to the place where they came from because they have become a nuisance. I'm hoping that you are going to utilize this information and try to see the type of visitors and the experience you have been having, and see what you can be able to do if you can have some intervention strategy, which may also not be very easy. It requires a very good person. This is Mutia Rukwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach. Thank you. Have a great day.